How to use a Target gift card at self-checkout. First, you want to scan your items. Start by scanning all the items you wish to purchase at the self-checkout station. Then you will select gift card as your payment method. Once you've scanned everything, the screen will show you your total. You want to choose the gift card option for your payment. Swipe or scan your gift card. If you have a physical Target gift card, swipe it through the card reader or scan the barcode on the back of the card. If you have an e-gift card, scan the barcode on your phone. Then you will enter the PIN if applicable. Some gift cards may require a PIN. If your card has one, enter it when prompted. Check your balance. The system will show you how much is remaining on your card. If there is enough to cover your purchase, it will be applied automatically. Complete the payment. If the gift card doesn't cover the full amount, you can pay the remaining balance using another payment method such as a debit or credit card. Take your receipt and items. Once the transaction is complete, take your receipt and items and you're good to go. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.